Hello and welcome to Excel. This video is if you're using Excel for the first time, maybe you've never opened it before. I just wanted to show you some of the basics of an Excel spreadsheet and document. So we'll start by just opening up Excel. It's the green button down here. It opens to what we call a workbook like this. So you'll see this is called Book 1. You can actually have multiple different pages in your book, kind of like a notebook. So down here you can see we're on sheet 1. If I click this little plus, I can go sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, depending on how complicated my workbook is. If I want to get fancy, I can actually rename each of these sheets. So we could call this one, say, Fred. In an Excel spreadsheet, you have columns and rows. So we have column A, B, C, D. That can obviously keep going if we keep scrolling over. And we have rows from 1 down to a really big number at the bottom. We can enter our data either by double clicking on an individual cell and then typing. Maybe you could type hello and hit enter. Or you can click on a cell and then up here in the top, we could write either a number or text. The formatting you can change. So you can navigate with all of the different options up here on the top to allow you to change color, to add borders, to do lots of different types of functions. So that's kind of the basics for working with Excel. We'll jump in future videos on how to do some more exciting things.